Hello, and good morning, guys. It's a lovely Tuesday morning, and today is the 30th day of June. It's the last day of the month. Uh, is Tomorrow is a new month. So this is what we were looking at yesterday. This is what we were looking at yesterday. We had our analysis. We broke down the market down to 30 minutes, and above this level here, we were looking for buys above this level here. Which we never got. We never got a trigger to or a signal for the buys, and a signal for the buy, a confirmation for the buy would be a candle closing above this level with the body, not the wick. Okay, so we never got that. For the sales, we were looking for sales below this level here. This is the 30 minutes resistance here. We are looking for sales below this level here, and once this candle closed below our level with some good bearish momentum, you can see the size of the candle that pushed down and closed below our level. It's a with the size is the candle is big, small wicks, and of course the body has to be bigger than the wicks, and that gave me confidence in this trade. So once this candle closed below this level here, I immediately put my I I set my buy limit here. My sell limit here. I set my sell limit here. Stop loss just above this wick here, above this structure that was broken here. There's this structure that the market broke as it was breaking down our level, breaking below our level. It broke this structure here. There was a BOS here. So stop loss just above this level here. You see, if you had placed your stop loss just above this wick here, the candle that closed below our level, you'd have been liquidated here. So that's why I chose this structure here. Stop loss just above there. My buy limit, my sell limit here. It was activated at 1 p.m. by the 1 p.m. candle. The candle that opened at 1 p.m. We activated. Market pushed up, almost hit our stop loss. You can see where I didn't move my stop loss. My stop loss is here. Almost hit my stop loss, and then the market started pushing down. Okay, the market started pushing down. We hit our TP1, we hit our TP2, then it started consolidating around TP1 again. Then we came, hit TP2, a little consolidation, then the impulse that hit our TP3 and TP4. For anyone who hit TP5, 6, and 7, congratulations. For us who hit TP1, 2, 3, 4, congratulations as well. We made something good. This was a risk reward ratio of 2.44, and we got in some around 400 pips. Let me see. That was around 400 pips if I'm not wrong. All the way to TP4. Yeah, that was 526 pips. We made something good there. For the ones that got to TP5, 6, and 7, that was how many? 766 pips, which was very good. 200 pips more. Okay, that's how we took the market. Stop loss. Our stop loss was how many pips? 217 pips. Okay, that was our stop loss there. Take profit here. 200 for 217 for 521. That was a good risk to reward ratio. That's how you check your risk to reward ratio. So, and that was the win yesterday. So this was trade number, I think 16 if I'm not wrong. Let me confirm. So in total, we have executed 18 trades this month. And our wins have been out of 18 trades, we have won 13 trades, we have lost 4 trades, and we have closed one at break even. That's our count for the month. Total 18 trades, won 13 trades, lost 4 trades. This is the trades that hit our stop loss, and then we have one trade that we closed at break even. Okay, and today being the last day of the month, let's see if we can get our wins to 14 out of 19 trades. 14 trades out of 19. Okay, that's our target today. So real quick, let's remove everything here. We're going to remove the drawings and start our analysis afresh. First, we jump into the calendar, see what our forex calendar holds for us. Today is Tuesday, so on Tuesday, I don't see any red folder news. We have one for the Canadian dollar at 3:30 p.m. That is the GDP month over month. Apart from that, uh, we have at 5 p.m. we have the consumer confidence CBP, that low impact. Then the jobs, the job openings on the USD, not high impact, and that's all we expect today. Remember tomorrow is Wednesday or Thursday. Thursday is when you have the NFP, the jobs report. So today we have nothing to expect on the fundamentals unless we get some breaking news. Uh, that is from either US or Iran. Let's see if we had anything breaking news on the US and Iran war. Iran's deputy, uh, Iran will try to obstruct any vessel transiting through paths in Hormuz that are not specified by Tehran. Let's see. Mhm, mhm, mhm. So watch out for any breaking news on the war on Iran, the attacks on Iran and by the US and Israel. That could move the market. You don't wanna get caught on the wrong side of the market when the breaking news come out. Okay. So that's all for today. Nothing much to expect. So real quick, we start our analysis. Break down the market from the monthly down to 30 minutes, and hopefully get our breakout setup. To close the month, June has been good to us. May was also good to us. So hopefully July will be good to us too. We hope it will be good to us. So that's the support and resistance on the monthly. Jump down to the weekly. On the weekly, just a bit. Let's go back to the monthly. So on the monthly, we had this kind of break above here, then we had this pullback. This candle opened here, then pushed below, then pushed up, was not able to close above, closed here, then the other candle opened, pushed below, and okay, so that's our supports. Jump down to the weekly. On the weekly, we have this break of structure here. We had this BOS here. So that's the most immediate price action we had. So this is our support resistance here, and then our support down here. This was last week's candle. Support is down there, and then we jump down to the daily. Now on the daily, we had this break of structure here. This one has not broken down below this level yet, so that's just a consolidation there. It's just a sideways moving market. So we had this break of structure here, and the swing high. The swing high is here. Is the swing high, but this before we get to this swing high, remember we had this internal structure here that broke below this level here. So it's worth also noting this area here, this level there. That's the level we are within. And we jump down to 4 hours. Excuse me. Now on 4 hours, we had this break of structure here, then the pullback, break of structure, BOS here, then that pullback, then another BOS here, then a pullback, then another BOS here. So these are most recent BOS. This was the most recent BOS. Is the level we're operating within. This resistance and this support here. We have not broken we have not broken out of this resistance or this support here. So remember, when you get to the 4 hours, I like to use the bodies. I like to use where the bodies are. So that's the body there. And here we have the body there. Okay. But these levels are worth noting. We mark these levels here. That level there, and then they have that level there. So that's where you're operating within the 4 hours. That's our level within the 4 hours. I jump down to 1 hour. We're breaking the market down to 30 minutes. So on 1 hour, we had this break of structure here. So the last break of structure here that we had. So our high was here. Our high was here. Then the market shifted. There was a shift here. Once we broke below here. So this is our low. And this was our high here. Once it gave us a shift, we had this slight pullback. Then we had another shift here. So our high, our low. Once we got this shift here, market came here. We had this pullback, then gave us another BOS there. That's a BOS there. Then after the VOS there, market came all the way down. So our 1 hour high is here. So our 1 hour high. 1 hour high gave us a break of structure here. Let me enlarge it for you so you can see it clearly. This 1 hour high gave us this break of structure here. Market pushed down, we are pushing down all the way till it came down to this level here. So these are 1 hour structure. Okay, so now what we do, we're going to remove this level here. It has already been broken. So as that one there. And now we have, this is what we have. Okay, this is what we are working with now. So this is what we're working with on the 1 hour. The high is there, is the high, and this is the low on 1 hour. Okay, that's the level we are working with on 1 hour. Jump down to 30 minutes. Now on 30 minutes, this is what I'll do on 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, we had this resistance here and this support here. So 30 minutes resistance up there, 30 minutes support down here. I would want to go down to 15 minutes. I do want to go down to 15 minutes, but let's just peep and see what we have. So on 15 minutes, did we get a break of structure? No. On 15 minutes, we're still on the same levels. But let's keep our analysis to 30 minutes. So this is what I'll be looking for. A break above there. That would be a buy. And a break below this level here. That would be a sell here. I could take a sell from here. So real quick, let me mark this. Potential sells below. And this one, potential sell buys. Remember guys, always trade what you see, not what you think. So if we get the buys, get a buy, push it to this level here. Okay, you get a sell, you get a sell here, you could push it to this level here. Okay, so that's what I'll be looking at today. This is what I'll be looking at today. What do we have on the left? Real quick, time is running out. Okay. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking at. If we were to break below that level, this would be the next level here. Okay, so if we break below this level, I would want to push the market down to that level there. So happy hunting guys.